Hey guys, John Smart here. Just want to make a quick video review for Jordan make money with YouTube course, as it was highly recommended by a friend. So I was able to get the first training course and the advanced course because I just couldn't get enough of it. The course is amazing for anybody looking for a way to make money on YouTube without creating video, without creating video yourself. So it will teach you step by step how to make money on YouTube without creating videos, guys. This guy knows what he is doing. The guy is making multiple six figures a year, and some of the students have started making some serious money using his YouTube training course. So guys, if you want a way to make money on YouTube right now without creating a video yourself, you will see how to do it with Jordan's make money on YouTube training course, guys. I would suggest you go for it now. You know, YouTube is making people millionaires, guys. This is the kind of system they're using. This is the kind of training they are using to get to that level, 6-7 figures a year. So if you want to join the trend, now is the time, guys. You can do it using Jordan's make money on YouTube training course, guys. So check it out, guys. I promise you're gonna love it.